Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO Mixing Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about the 4 tips, 4 strategies, or you can say as a 4 core principle for making money online with the print-on-demand journey. And these 4 core principles, I made it by myself only. I haven't copied from anyone. I made it from myself only based on my own personal experience with my first year in the print-on-demand journey. Now, I don't have any years of experience in the print-on-demand journey. It's just the first year. So in the first year, I have these 4 core principles, which I see that is the ultimate most important for getting started with the print-on-demand journey or for making more money, whatever you can call it. But it's the core principle. So I'm going to talk about these 4 things in this video guys. So stick till the end. And before going to the good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And also if you want the free stuff, the free guides, the free KDP tier, the free graphics, all the link of these free stuffs are in the description box below. You can download it and you can use them for making money online in your own journey. 4 core principle guys, please do note here, there is a big disclaimer. I'm talking it based on my own personal experience so far with my own print-on-demand journey, like in the first year. Now these are not the some expert or some expert advice or some guru advice. I'm not an expert, I'm not a guru guys. I'm like you only who has in the first year of the print-on-demand journey, first year in their online business. So I'm talking it based on that experience. So take my tips as a grain of salt. Don't take it as an expert advice or as a guru advice, because I'm not a guru and I'm not an expert. Okay, with that being said, let's get started with that. The first core principle that I see is the ultimate important is the mindset. We often miss that. We often think that, oh, we don't need a mindset. We need the tips, the strategies, we need the sneaky tactics, the shortcut tips to make money online. But why do we need the mindset? Like, oh, mindset is not needed, but it's really, really important, guys. You need to have a proper mindset. Now, what I really mean by proper mindset, the first thing is you need to understand that it's not a rich money-making scheme. You're not gonna be rich overnight. You're gonna not make $1 million in a one night or in a 1 month by print on demand. So you need to have a real expectation. You need to know the reality of this print on demand journey, or even if you're talking about the online space, you need to know the reality. So that is the first thing. The second thing is the consistency in the money mindset or in the mindset in general. You need to know that it is the consistency. You need to do it again and again until you reach to a point where you can make a good amount of money or a decent amount of money. So it's a regular day work. It's not a one-day work. You need to be consistent with that. The another point in this is the patience. You need to have a patience, since it's not a rich money-making scheme. It's gonna take you a time. I don't know how much it will going to take you, but it will going to take you a time to make a good, decent amount of money from this. The tip that I want to talk about in the mindset is the business mindset. You don't need to take it as a hobby. Don't think that you are doing a hobby where you're just gonna appear for a 1 month, for a 2nd month, and well gonna vanish for 6 months. And no, it's not a hobby, guys. Take it as a business. Because if you're taking it as a hobby, then your mindset is not proper and you're going to take the decision that is just based on the hobby. That's not based on the business. So if you're not taking the decisions, or if you're not taking the actions related to your business, then how are you going to make money from it? Think about that. So you need to take it as a business. Take it as a business mindset. Think that you're opening up your own shop. It's not that you're just opening up a shop for the sake of having the fun. You're opening up a shop, you're getting started with your own company, with your own business. Take it in that mindset. Even if you are making a single dollar from your shop, that's completely fine. That's completely okay, because everyone starts from zero. Everyone started from $0. So take it as a business mindset. Don't take it as a hobby. These 3-4 core things comes into the first principle, that is the mindset. Now we're going to talk about the second core principle, which is another important factor in getting decided with that. So that is the research. Now I couldn't emphasize more, guys. Now you would be thinking, oh, I don't need to do a research. I can look for some videos on the YouTube. That person will going to share some of the sneaky tactics, shortcut tips. I'm going to implement them and I'm going to make huge money. No, guys, it doesn't happen that way. You need to do your research. Don't cut corners. Don't think that it's just a shortcut tips. I'm gonna give you some shortcut strategies, some shortcut tips. You're gonna do it. You're gonna make massive amount of money from that. It's not that thing, guys. You need to do your research, look for the niches which are not that popular and are in the great demand. And if you are a newbie, complete newbie, looking for trends or going for the trends is a great option. You can have a balance between the trending design and the evergreen designs and mix those things together and upload it on your shop. So when that trend is high, you're going to get sales from that trends, and when that sales will going to go down, obviously the sales will going to go down for that particular design, you're going to get sales from your evergreen designs. So have that mindset, do that research, take your time. Even if you see that you have a day job, or if you have your family, your husband, boyfriend, your whatever it is, guys, you have some responsibility, you don't give too much time in a day to this particular stuff, then decide by yourself, like you can give 1 hour to this thing in a day or 2 hours, how much time you can give to this particular thing, and go slow with that. Develop your own schedule, develop your own planning. Don't see some other YouTubers doing that particular thing, you're gonna copy them or replicate them and you're gonna make a big money. No, guys, this thing doesn't work in that way. You need to do your homework, you need to do it. It's a really hard truth, but it's the truth, guys. You really need to understand that it will going to take some time, and you need to do all these 4 core principles to get the desired results. No one can give you the secrets of doing this and that, and when you're gonna do it, you're gonna get 100% money, how much that person is talking about. It's not work that way, guys. I know you don't want to hear the reality, but that's the reality. Have a proper mindset and do the research. Take your time. Like, I probably do the research once in every 15 to 20 days to look for the trends, to look for the patterns, to look for the designs, or whatever it is. I just do it. Maybe sometimes I do it once in a week, or sometimes I do it in 15 days, depending on my own schedule. The same thing you can do it, guys. You can develop your own schedule. The core principle that I have for you is, guys, upload more stuff. I couldn't emphasize more. Of course, you need to maintain the quality and the quantity together. You need to find the proper balance between the quality and the quantity. You need to have a real expectation. Find that proper balance, what suits best for you, and start doing it, guys. It might be different for you, it might varies for you, but that's okay. Do your own research. That you just need to upload one design a month that is really a good quality. So it will going to equate to 12 design a year, and then you just need to leave your shop for the next 1 year and you're gonna be billionaire by that. No, it doesn't work that way. You need to have multiple different designs, but because the competition is huge, there are so many people right now on these print-on-demand platforms, on this online space, and they are making good money from that. So if you are not uploading more designs, then I'm gonna be fine from that. Obviously, because I've been getting a lot of the comments, people say that I have uploaded 10 designs, 15 designs, 20 designs, and so on, and I'm not making good sales. And I was like, wow, you are just uploading only 10 designs and expecting to make good money from it. How is that possible? Think of that. There are millions of designs on these platforms, and there are so many artists and designers on these platforms who are uploading this stuff. So you are just uploading 10 designs and thinking that your design will going to be found by some people and you're gonna make good money. It might happen, but in most of the cases it doesn't happen. That's the reality, because at this time there is a huge competition. So you need to stand out from the market and you need to develop your own strategy that works best for you. With time it will going to work upon it. Everything will going to take some time, but do it, guys. The last core principle that I think is also important to this recipe of this online space or print on demand, so that is the share. Yes, of course, these print on demand platforms have the organic sales. You're gonna get the organic sales, you're gonna get the organic traffic, but if you want to make good amount of money, if you want to make decent amount of money, you need to promote it. I'm not telling you to go for the paid ads. I'm not telling you to go for that. If you're a beginner, don't go for the paid ads. You're just gonna waste your money because you don't know how to get started with the Facebook ads, with the Google ads, with the YouTube ads, whatever it is. Don't go for it in the beginning. Do your research and see who is your ideal customer, who are you serving for, what is the occasion, what the people like about your design, and then if you want to go with the paid ads, then only go with that, guys. But in the beginning, go with the organic social media platform. the Pinterest is a great friend for you. I'm gonna leave some of the videos of me talking about sharing onto the Pinterest in the card section above, guys. You can check it out. If you're not okay with using any other social media platform, I want to tell you, go for the Pinterest. Pinterest, you don't need many followers to get started with that. You can start with the day one itself. Open up your account, make a 15 to 20 Pinterest boards, and pin your designs, pin your shop, artworks and all in daily in those Pinterest boards. Try to pin at least 10 to 15 pins daily on a schedule. You can even have a Tailwind, that is a software for scheduling the Pinterest paints. You can use a Tailwind as well, but if you want to do it manually, do it manually. I'm not telling you to go for the paid ads in the beginning. Don't go for it. You're just gonna waste your money, because in the beginning we are a complete newbie. We don't know how to use the Facebook ads or how to do the ads, and it's just wasting the money. So, and even if you want to use the other platform, you can go with the TikTok, you can go with the Instagram, and you can promote your designs in the Instagram Reels. Facebook groups, you can join the different Facebook groups related to your ideal customer or your occasion, whatever it is, and share your designs over there. Talk to different people, talk to your ideal customer on the social media platform. Look for what their design they want from you, and upload more kind of design and promote it. And yeah, so I hope that these 4 core principles really gets clear to you. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think, because these are the core principles that I have made for myself in my own print-on-demand journey, guys. I am not perfect. Don't think that I'm perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm still learning from it. I'm still growing from it. I'm still becoming, maturing, and I'm still trying to incorporate new things into my schedule when I'm learning new stuff. So I'm still growing. I'm still learning. I'm not perfect. I'm not an expert. I'm not a guru, guys. Don't take it that way. But these are the few things that I think that is really, really important for making money online. So I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.